A little bit overshot, so it's coming to us. How are you? All is well? All is good. All right, big up. Wait, I get all the hug. You see that? Have your package for you. Excited? Oh, see, you kind of weighty too. Come quick? Yeah. All right, cool. Hey. Make sure you refer your friends and family. Here, oh, they hear it though. First time being inside this area. Good, pretty cool. Yeah? Is that one locks that you have, bro? Well, no. One strong locks. I don't know if you call him a dread or a raspa or a single head. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, man. Much respect. All right. Really appreciate it as well. Thanks for patronizing us. And refer some people, no? All right. Shoes the bad, though. Shoes the bad. Yeah. All right. Big up yourself. All right. There you have it. Him shoes bad. Him shoes bad. I wonder when buy the shoes there. When buy the shoes there? The shoes that bad. On the delivery trail. Have a good one. Hey, what's going on? I know you've been watching our videos all day, every day, because you enjoy the videos. But why haven't you signed up yet? You need to sign up for a free shipping account with us. And also sign up for a platinum membership. This allows you to get 4 free months every year. Come on, sign up, check up our webpage. Check it out. At the bottom of each of our webpage, you'll see a promotion link. You can see all the promotions we have running every day. Sign up.